Okay, so here we have the Cooper's Original Australian Pale Ale. This is one of their most iconic beers that they sell. It's made in Australia, so this is like their Cooper's blend here. It's about 1.7 kgs in here. Generally, I would recommend getting either 1 kg of dextrose, corn sugar, or you can do a blend. I have the recipe on our website of the Brew Enhancer style, which is basically adding a little bit of dry malt, some dextrose, and maltodextrin, all of which we sell here as well. To open it, you just tear this off. There's going to be a yeast package on the top, and for the instructions, there's a little tab right here. You take that out, and we'll have further instructions on how to make this beer for any beer of the Cooper's brand. The system is generally the same. This Australian beer is a little bit more fruitier, and it's a lighter drinking beer, good for any occasion.